Okay, so welcome back to my new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can do inner join with data frames using Golang and GoGata package. So let's jump right into the IDE. So I'm inside the IDE. I'm going to create a new project that I'm going to call Dataframe inner join. And I'm going to install the GoData package. So it's going to be Go. So it's been added. I'm going to do go mod tidy. And let's go inside. Okay, so go get. So I've added that. So you can see the requirement is here. So we're done. Let's create our new main file. Oh, I have a piece of code here that I want to add, and then I'm going to explain to you what is going on. So as you can see, we have the data frame import from GoData, and then we're loading records. This is a two-dimensional array of strings. This is the header or the column names. This is another column names. And then we have two data frames, okay? DF and DF2. So what we want to do is we want to do inner join. So we create a new object called df.innerJoin, and then we pass in the second data frame, which is df2. And then we want to pass in the key, what the two data frames should join on. So we want to use column D. So we want to join these two data frames based on column D, because we have to D in both columns, and then A also in both columns, but we want to use the true false column, which is D. Okay. So now, once we do that, we can now print join. Okay. So what is going to happen is, you see, this is the left data, and then this is the right data frame 2. So on the left, it's going to check false, and false is going to match with this 3. Okay. And then it's going to check for true. True is here, and then true is here, true is here. It's going to match on this one. Okay, so let's print this and see what we get. Go run. Clear this and do go run. Okay, so this is our result. So if you look at the data very carefully, you realize that A is common to both columns. So it's representing it as A_0 and then A_1. Okay. And then the column we are joining, doing the inner join on, is on the first column. And then you can see that we have 3 trues. Okay. 3 of them. Then the three true is what? Coming from the first data frame. So as you can see it here, it's 3 of them. And it's what? AKK. AKK. Okay. And then it's joining on the other one. So we have 1, 1. So we can see the 1, 1 coming from A and F. Okay. And then if you look at the other one also, we have the false. The false is coming from this row. Okay, 7.1. So as you can see, the false is repeating itself against 425. As you can see, 425 coming from column A in the second data frame. Okay, and then we have 289. 289 coming from column F. Okay, so that is how you do inner join. So assuming we change it to df2 and then df and then rerun this program, let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, the result is 10 around, but it's almost the same. Okay, you see the trues is here, and then the false is also here. We have 3 false and then 3 trues. Okay, and then we have the 425 and then 425 and then 289, and then A is repeating itself from column B. 2 is repeating itself and C is also repeating itself, 7.1. Okay, so that is all about how you can join columns or the 2 data frames using Golang. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, and then I'll see you in the next one.